Hey you guys, so today I have a Walmart / Ibotta haul for you guys. Everything that you see here ended up being completely free for me, plus it was a $4.04 moneymaker. I am so excited about this transaction. I didn't use any paper coupons, I just used all rebate apps. So before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a new video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so in this transaction I used the Inbox Dollars app and the Ibotta app. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and get started with is just going to be this Butterfinger. So this Butterfinger is priced at my store for 74 cents. Ibotta does have a rebate for 25 cents back. So you will pay 74 cents out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents, and that's going to bring this down to just 49 cents. So this is a super easy deal to do, especially if you are trying to reach a bonus. And speaking of bonus, I am working towards, well, at the time of me doing this transaction, I was working towards my candy cane bonus, which was get $10 when I redeem 16 offers. When I went to the store, I only needed to grab just 6 items in order to reach that bonus. So that is what I did. So just 49 cents for this Butterfinger. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these Pinolin MultiPurpose Cleaners. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these. And at my store, these are priced at $2.47. If you want to do this deal once, you can go ahead and purchase 2 of these at $2.47, and that's going to bring your total to $4.94. If you check the Inbox Dollars app, Inbox has a rebate for $4 back when you buy 2. So $4.94 minus the $4 that you will get back from Inbox Dollars, that's going to bring your total down to just 94 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 47 cents. So this is a fantastic price for these, you guys. I do sell these in my bundles because I personally don't like them myself, so I do sell these in my bundles. I actually just recently sold 9 bottles of these to a lady who purchases from me every month, so this is a really great seller for me. So 47 cents for each one, and again, I did this deal twice, so that's why I went ahead and I grabbed 4 bottles. So each bottle cost me just 47 cents. And then next up, I grabbed this Clorox multi-purpose paper towel wipes, and this is the 75 count. So these are priced at my store for $4.48. SHOPKICks has 30 scan kicks, and then it has 600 buy kicks. So that's a total of 630 kicks. So 630 kicks, that is equivalent to $2.52. So $4.48 minus the $2.52 that I got back from ShopKicks, that brought my total down to just $1.96. And I just recently found out that I could have used a coupon on this, but I didn't find out about it until late, but that's okay because this transaction ended up being free anyway. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Mountain Dew Major Melon, and this is priced at Walmart for $1.98. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.98 back, making this completely free. And this right here is actually really good, you guys. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Cheetos mac and cheese, and this is priced at my store for 96 cents. Ibotta does have a rebate for 20 cents back. So you will pay 96 cents out of pocket and submit your receipt to Ibotta for 20 cents. That will make this just 76 cents. Same thing with this Cheetos mac and cheese. This is the box priced at 96 cents. Ibotta has a 20 cents rebate. That will bring your total down to just 76 cents. And guys, I am just making a mess over here. And so next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these Refresh car freshers, and these are priced at Walmart for $1.84. I purchased a total of 4, but if you would like to do this deal once, you can purchase 2. So $1.84 times 2 is $3.68. Inbox Dollars has a rebate back to where you can get $5 back when you buy 2. So $3.68, you will pay that out of pocket and then submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars for $5 back, and it'll make each two that you buy completely free plus $1.32 moneymaker. So that is why I went ahead and I purchased 4 to go ahead and max out that deal, you guys. So this is a really nice, easy, and free moneymaker deal to do. So I would highly suggest you guys to go ahead and do this deal. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Trident gums, and these are priced at Walmart for $1.12. I purchased 2, so 112 times 2 is $2.24. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.12 back, so $2.24 minus the $1.12 that you would get back from Ibotta. That will bring your total down to just $1.12 for both packs, or it'll make each pack just 56 cents. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Arm & Hammer Essentials natural deodorizers, and these are priced at Walmart for $2.43. I did go ahead and purchase 2, so $2.43 times 2 is $4.86. Inbox Dollars has a rebate for $4 back when you buy 2. So $4.86 minus the $4 that you would get back from Inbox Dollars, that's going to bring your total down to just 86 cents for both bottles of deodorant, or it'll make each one just 43 cents. So this is a really, really good deal, you guys, especially if you are brand loyal to Arm & Hammer. And then lastly, guys, I went ahead and I grabbed this box of condoms, the Durex Air, and this is priced at my store for $7.48. Ibotta does have a rebate for $3 back. So $7.48 minus the $3 that you will receive from Ibotta, that will bring your total down to $4.48. And then SHOPKICK has 25 scan kicks and 900 buy kicks. So that's a total of 925 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.70. So $4.48 minus the $3.70 that you will get back from SHOPKICK, that will bring your total down to just 78 cents for this box of condoms, which is amazing, you guys, because the regular price is $7.48 and you're only paying 78 cents for this. This is a fantastic price. So check your accounts. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So I used Inbox Dollars, but you can use the SWAGBUCKS app or the My Points app. If you would like to, say for instance, for these right here, if you would like to purchase these, you can get a total of 12 of these, but per app that you use, you only are able to do 4 per transaction per app that you use. So if you want to use SWAGBUCKS, you will purchase 4, submit your receipt, you will get back $8. If you would like to use Inbox Dollars, you will purchase 4, submit your receipt, get back $8. Then you do another transaction on My Points, purchase 4, submit your receipt, receive $8. So that is how you would do it to maximize your deals, and that is if you wanted to just go crazy and stock up and get a total of 12. So I am going to go and do this deal on My Points because I've already done it on SWAGBUCKS, and today I did it on Inbox Dollars. So next I'm going to go and do it on My Points because this is a very, very nice moneymaker transaction, you guys, and of course, who doesn't want their car to smell good? So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So everything rung up like it was supposed to. As I said, I didn't use any coupons. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $40.94. From Ibotta, just from the offers, I got back a total of $6.76 back. So $40.94 minus the $6.76 that I got back just for the offers on Ibotta, that brought my total down to $34.18. And then, as I stated earlier, I was working towards my candy cane bonus, and I only needed to grab 6 more items in order to reach that bonus. So I was able to go ahead and get that $10 back. So $34.18 minus the $10 that I got back from my bonus, that brought my total down to $24.18. And then I got back a total of $22 from Inbox Dollars. I got back $4 for the Arm & Hammer. I got back a total of $10 for the Refreshies, and then I got back a total of $8 for the MultiPurpose Cleaners back there. So $22 from Inbox Dollars, and that brought my total down to $2.18. Then from SHOPKICKS with my scan and buy kicks from the Durex Air and the Clorox wipes back there. I got back a total of $1,555, so 1,555 kicks, which is equivalent to $6.22. So $2.18 minus the $6.22 that I got back from Shopkicks, that made this entire transaction, you guys, completely free, plus a $4.04 moneymaker. So this was a really, really good transaction for me, you guys. I am super happy with this transaction. So I will have all of the apps that I mentioned in this video linked in the description box below, okay? So don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with Ibotta. If you are not using Ibotta, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through Ibotta. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know what bonus you are working towards on Ibotta, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.